The UMI Airdrop is giving away thousands of dollars worth of tokens and most people don't even know about it. This could be the next layer 0 or ZK Sync style drop. I've done the research, checked the funding and tested the steps myself, and today I'll show you exactly how to qualify before it's too late. Stick with me because I'll reveal not just the UMI tasks, but also the secret strategies that early farmers are using to maximize their airdrop rewards. Let's jump in. So what is UMI Network? UMI is the rebranded version of Moved Network, built on Optimism's OP stack, supports both Move VM and EVM at the same time, huge for developers. And it features parallel executions, ZK proofs, and high scalability. I have put the link for this airdrop in our Telegram channel, and also if you join our Telegram channel, you can get informed for any airdrop as fast as possible, and the link to our Telegram channel is below under this video, and also I have pinned it in the comments. You can join fast. So here we are in this website. If you are using a mobile phone, use Midas browser, or if you are using a PC, Chrome is okay, or Brave browser. And then you can add the MetaMask extension and connect your wallet here. And here is a pop-up from the MetaMask, and you should confirm it. Okay, here it connected successfully. Now welcome to the UMI. So you click on continue. And now we're in the website and we're connected. And here you can see your wallet address, which is connected. Now we go to the quest section here. There are 3 kinds of tasks that you can do. One is daily, spatial, and weekly. Let's do the daily first. Explorer quests here. First of all, come below and hit the collect daily XP. It's completely free and easy to collect that, and you will have daily streak here. So be active, and you will need only 2 or 3 minutes a day to come here and do the daily tasks. So guys, don't forget to join this active event here. So you see that UMI Network social sprint. Let's join this one too. Share your social media profile, post the UMI Network, and tag us. Before that, set your username here. Okay, then you click on save. Okay, my username is set, and this total 10 XP is for hitting this button here, and you should do this every day, and by claiming the XP, your level will exceed, and when you level up, the part of the airdrop that you're gonna receive increases. So let's join the quest, interact quest. So here you can see the tasks that you're going to do. There are 5 tasks, and first you click on sign in, and you sign in with your MetaMask, exactly the same wallet that you have connected to their website. Okay, here you hit the connect, and you are connected to the interact. Okay, here we are connected, and you can come and check in here daily for getting XPs on interact. Yeah, exactly like this, and you can get gems, and then the gems can convert it into something else that are more valuable. So let's get back to our own airdrop. Here you should follow UMI Network on Twitter. So here you connect, you press the button and you connect to the Twitter, and it's authorizing already. So after that, you connected your Twitter to the website. Now let's do the task. Okay, here we follow UMI Network Twitter page. After that, we come back to interact quest and verify the task. It will take a few seconds for verifying. Then we go for join Discord server. Click on connect. Okay, after that, you come here and authorize. Then again, you click on join Discord server, because the first time you are letting this website to connect to your Discord, and then you are doing the task. Now you accept UMI. For getting access to its Discord, we come here and you click on verify, and that's it. You get verified by clicking this button here. In order to being known as an active member, we always come here to GM section and type in GM here. Then you can come to general. If you have any questions, you can add and you can come and ask in the general section. Yeah, that's it. And then we come and hit the verifying button. Now you can join their Telegram group. Let's see. Yeah, it wants us to connect our Telegram to this website. Now that our Telegram has paired with this website, now you can do the task and be a member of their Telegram group. You click on join the group and then you can come back to their website here and you can hit the verify button. Now you can create and post a user generated tweet and tag 2 friends there. For that, you click on the task. Okay, after tagging 2 of your friends here in the message that they have provided, you post here in your Twitter. Then you can come back and verify that if you have done this already or not. Okay, this has already a bug. Okay, try again after minutes. And now this says a verify interaction with the UMI faucet. For that, we are going to claim faucet from their website. By entering the faucet website, it asks us to connect our Twitter account. You click on create account. For that, you need to authorize app. For that, you come to MetaMask and copy your address. Now you come back to their website and paste your wallet address and you claim your 2 Ethereum faucet. Before that, you'll see an icon here. It says add or switch network. So you need to switch your MetaMask network and approve this task. Add Ethereum DevNet. After that, you paste your wallet address here and you click on claim. Now you need to bridge to DevNet. You click on that. Again, you need to connect your MetaMask here. Okay. I've already added DevNet to MetaMask and yeah. Here you can see that we have done. And if you want to get more, okay, now you can bridge again. And yeah, I'm not doing it again. Let's go back to the tasks. And about the fees here, someone was asking about the fees. The fee is on the faucet network, is on the UMI network. Okay, it's not on the main Ethereum network. As you can see, Ethereum DevNet. So you can confirm it, it's free. And yeah, you can share it on X or come back to the tasks here. Okay, now you can hit the verify button for both of them. Before that, you should click on this. It means that I have done this task with this wallet, and then you confirm. Now you can see that both of the tasks are completed and I've got 85 XPs for doing so. Now I have unlocked a new achievement. You can claim it in the Interact website. And then these can turn into something valuable in the future. Okay, claim this one, first footprint. Yeah, as you can see, I claimed this one with 1 gem. I like the Interact website because this is more smoother than the Galaxy website. Oh, that's horrible. And here we have only 3 days to do all the tasks. Okay, here you can see only 3 days left. So hurry up and do all of these tasks. There will be new tasks too. If you are seeing this video after a week, for example, there may be some other new tasks there. And also here is a giveaway of 1K USDC. It's between 100 people and $10 for each of them. So it means that you can be one of the winners of this giveaway, 1K USDC. If you pass this giveaway, and there will be a button for you to come here and claim your part of 1K USDC. I think it's about $10 for each. As you can see, 100 people and each person gets $10. Okay, that's it, guys. And you can copy and paste your referral link to your friends if you want. That's all for this part. Let's go back to this website. Okay, before completing the daily task, you need to come and connect your Twitter, Discord, and upload a picture. And then we will going to verify our follow on Twitter. So let's connect our Twitter to this website. Now you authorize app and you connect your Twitter. Then here it gives us a badge for first stepstone, and you click on awesome for connecting your Twitter. Then you connect your Discord and get 50 XP. And for connecting the Twitter, we got 50 XP more. You authorize the app, you accept invite, and that's all. Now you can see that my XP is exceeding and increasing. Now I am level 2, and let's upload the photo after completing the task. Now click on your profile photo. As you can see here, I have a photo in my profile. Now let's follow them. We have already followed their account. Now the quest is completed and we have got 150 more XP. Awesome. And that's it. We have already used their faucet. You can claim that, okay, and get more XP. It says that you should post a tweet and write GMUI inside your tweet, and you can do it once in 24 hours. So first you should go to Twitter and write a tweet, okay. Example, this is a post that I've created for them, both contain GUMI and hashtag GUMI, and that's it. Now you can go back to their website here and verify the tweet, and also you can verify the second one too. So after 3 minutes you can come and verify both of them, and that's all, guys. Okay, you can come here and do the daily social tasks. Also there are some other kinds of tasks here. Okay, one of them was daily, one is spatial, and one is weekly task. Okay, guys, don't forget to come and do their daily tasks, social tasks, weekly tasks here. And also every day go to the Faucet website. I have put all the links in our Telegram channel, and Telegram post link is under this video in the description section. You can join our Telegram and see the updates there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get informed as soon as I put a video here. And you can send the video to your friends, because this testnet is so early and you are one of the early adapters of this project. So feel free to subscribe to our channel and send the video to your friends. See you guys. Bye bye.